So welcome students, we are going to speak about dimensional formula in this video. Generally for obtaining a dimensional formula, firstly we have to know about what is physical quantity and its formula also. Okay, so suppose we are going to take care of physical quantity and one by one we will derive its dimensional formula. So let's start with some basics physical quantities like area. Okay, so first is area. So for area, what is the formula of area? So area is area of a two-dimensional figure is length into breadth. Okay, so length into breadth. So how we are going to make its dimensional formula? So length is denoted by L, okay, and breadth is also a length, okay. So for this breadth also L, capital L. In dimensional formula we write length as L and for mass M, okay, and for time is capital T. So L into L is L square. So dimensional formula will be L to the power 2. Okay. So this is dimensional formula of area. Now volume. Second is volume. What is the formula for volume? Length into breadth into height. Length into breadth into height. So for length L. For breadth, it is also a length, so L. For height is also a length, okay. So for this to L. So L into L is L to the power 3. So L to the power 3. Under the square brackets. You can't write power here, okay. You can't write power outside the bracket. That is the rule for dimensional formula. Now, third, speed or velocity. Generally, I know speed and velocity are scalars and vectors, but the dimensional formula obtained for both the speed and velocity will be same. So, formula for speed or velocity. Speed is equal to distance upon time and velocity is equal to displacement upon time. So, distance or displacement upon time. So, distance is L, it is a length. So, for distance we will write L upon for time T we are going to write T. This T will come in numerator. So L T to the power minus 1. So this is LT minus 1 is the dimensional formula for speed and velocity both. Now, okay. So what is acceleration? Acceleration is change in velocity per unit time. So for velocity will be LT minus 1, LT minus 1 in square bracket upon for time T. So this time is in denominator, it will come to the numerator, then the power will be minus 1. Okay, so T to the power minus 1 will become minus 2. That means LT minus 2. LT minus 2. So this will be the dimensional formula for acceleration. So now the main, let's go on some standard notation like force. Okay. So for calculating force, fifth is force. Okay. So force we know formula for force is F is equal to ma. That means mass into acceleration. Okay, so for mass we will write it calculated LT minus 2. LT minus 2. So the formula will become m to the power mLT minus 2. mLT minus 2. Okay, just take a screenshot. Okay, so one more, let's do one more. 6 work. So work W is equal to FD, that means force into displacement. Force into displacement. So work is force into displacement. Okay. So force into displacement. For force, the dimensional formula is already obtained. mLT minus 2. mLT minus 2. Displacement is a length. So for length it is L. So that dimensional formula will become m L to the power 2 t to the power minus 2. m L 2 t to the power minus 2. Okay. So these are some basic notations. These are some basic dimensional formula, and like this only you can calculate the others too. Okay. Just take a screenshot, and later you can do for like kinetic energy, potential energy, gravitational constant. So for everything you can